Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video is another cornrow type protective style. Come on in and see how I create it. Alright, I'm just gonna jump right into it. I just recently had washed my hair and didn't know what to do with it, so I did slick it back in a sleek ponytail. I'm just showing my thinning spot at the top, and I'm working on trying to regrow. Lost all my edges during postpartum, and they are slowly but surely coming back. I'm just dampening my hair to break the cast from the gel. I use wet line. And I'm going to basically freestyle this style. Thinking of it as I go. So I hope you can follow along. It's going to be sped up on some segments and slowed down just so you can see the detail. So I'm just going to let everything play through with the background music. And I'll come in every once in a while and explain if I think it's needed. If not, then I'll just let the visuals do their thing. Yeah, and I did recently dye my hair too. I have that video up if you're interested. It is, I would say, like magenta, fuchsia, and red mixed together, kind of an ombre. My roots are dark, and the ends are very bold, even though the lighting isn't picking it up here. Just watch the video where I dyed it, and you can see the true color. And right there, I'm just explaining about my bangs. Now, I did cut my hair, and the bangs are on their way. And once again, my hair is low porosity, low density, very thin, very limp, as you see. But I can do quite a bit with it. You see the front there. Yeah. A little bit of a struggle, but hopefully it'll come on back in. And that is some edge tamer, the second touchdown. I'm just going to be using some braiding hair. Alright, so I'll hush up now and just let you watch. Alright guys, we have made it to the end, and all I did on this step was slick my hair up using some wet line and some edge control to get it really sleek. You can leave it like this if you want, but I wanted some length. And here I'm just showing the parting, which could have been a little bit cleaner, but it's hard to part your hair by yourself. I'm just showing you the design that I did just to fit my head. And towards the end, you will see me put a piece of braiding hair on for the bun, just to give it some more oomph, I guess. And if you think you'll try this style, comment below. If you like this style, comment below. If you like my content, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it if you think it will benefit anyone. I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and just keep watching so you can see the finished result. And this style will last about a week or so if you just keep it tied up and kind of maintain, just gel your edges up, and you can do any kind of ponytail you want. I just did it this way just to be a protective style, to leave it long or whatever, but yeah. Alright, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks and peace out.